Guys, going Junior one today. I'll be shooting the Ruger 22 caliber pellet gun. As you can see, it's Ruger Impax Max. Scope's 4x32. As you look down it, it's pretty good. See, you got the sights right there. You can sight it in. It's got a suppressor tip. And it's a bad pellet gun. 1050 feet per second. It ain't the baddest pellet gun they got, but it's still pretty nice. It'll run you about $200 at Walmart. I'm gonna shoot it. See them cans right there? I'm gonna shoot them. Basically, these are what you be shooting. 22 caliber pellet. All you gotta do is break it down, just like you would any other pellet gun. I'm gonna get another one. Load it, and it's ready to shoot. I'll shoot that propane tank. It's empty, so. And I'm gonna shoot that WD-40 can. Try to get a good view. You know. Let's shoot it. See where I hit. Right there. It's a pretty big dent. So let's shoot that WD-40 can. I got it loaded. Now let's shoot it. Let's see where I hit it. Heck, I can't even tell where I hit it. I've been shot it so many times. But as you can see, that's what it would look like. I don't know which hole it was. It's definitely powerful. Made to put a dent in a propane tank like that. And you can also do the 22 idea. Now, I mean, or you can do a 22 Magnum. So you can make it as powerful as you want. So let me know what y'all think about that new gun. Thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all.